Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tironi and I'm basically starting this from the Caribbean. I know there are ways that persons might not think that it's possible to have a business online, but I'm here starting this channel to encourage you and to tell you that there is. My channel called Dropping Gems will basically be focusing on ways in which you can make an income online, whether you're a mom at home, whether you just lost a job, or whether or not you're in college. All these ways will be possible. I hope probably in a year or so I'll be able to have subscribers where I'll be able to give back to you guys. So I encourage you to stay tuned, learn a thing or two, and also there'll be courses on each and every one of these points that'll be listed. So please continue and watch this video to the end. Let's get started. These are some basic tools that you will need in order to start an online business. Having an email address, having a PayPal, a Stripe, or a bank account. For some persons like myself who live out of the US, you will need a US international number in order to have verifications done. You will need cash. It is optional because some startups you don't need cash, while there's some that do need cash, and having a website, but this is optional. First, we're going to speak about becoming a reseller. Now, there are three ways in which any person that can become a reseller, like myself. I've sold on eBay before, I've sold on Amazon before. I'll be doing courses on both of these platforms, how to get started and what is needed. Added to that, you can become a reseller on Walmart, you can become a reseller on Etsy and Poshmark. Now, becoming a reseller, if you're out in the Caribbean like myself, the best model is drop shipping. If you haven't heard of this before, drop shipping is basically when you buy an item from a retailer and you send it to your customer. So if I have a shop on eBay and someone buys, let's say, slippers, I'm going to go to Walmart, buy that slippers, and I'm going to send it to that customer. I won't see that inventory, or I won't touch that inventory. That's drop shipping. For persons who are fortunate in order to do wholesaling, now that's where you might find a product and you want to sell it in a large quantity. It means that you'll have to buy a large quantity. So you buy cheap and you sell high. That's wholesaling, and it can be done on any one of these platforms that are listed. There's also retail arbitrage, which happens in the US. Persons will go out and buy stuff in one of the retail stores, and then they will put them for sale and have customer purchasing. So those are some of the ways in order for you to become a reseller online. Next, we have launching your own business. In launching your own business, there's lots of planning that needs to be done. There's a product you need to find, whether it's a hobby, whether it's something that you just like, whether it's something that you made. All those things can come under launching your own business because you can brand the product becomes yours. The platforms that you can use in order to launch your business, you can use Shopify, you can use Wix, you can use WooCommerce, you can use Big Cartel, and you can also use social media. There are a lot of persons who prefer using social media to start, and then as they build their following and they build a brand, they move on to actually launching a website after. So you don't necessarily have to launch your website first. You can wait until you build that following and then you can launch your website. For number 3, we have Freelancer. Now, if there's a skill, regardless of if your 9 to 5 or not. If you have a skill like accounting, designing, there's editing, there's creating websites, consultancy, whatever it is that you can do, social media marketing, that's something too. You can become a freelancer for these things. And the 3 websites that I'm sure that you can sign up and market yourself and make some money is on Fiverr, Upwork, and Voices. Now, Voices is more of doing narrative stuff. Let's say you want to narrate a book, you can use Voices in order to become a freelancer there. Now, you can write books, you can write kids books, you can write journals, you can do poetry books. If you have a book that you would like to launch, basically, or if there's a book that you would like to make, you can use the Amazon KDP platform, and on top of the platform, you can launch that book and then you can make an income. Now you can create a course. I know there are tens of thousands of courses out there. There are so many that if you don't focus on exactly what it is that you would like to do, you will drown. But there are some good courses out there, you just need to look. I intend on making this channel not only a channel to upload videos on way to make money online, but to also show you and to put courses where you can actually go through for free. Alright? And learn on how to make money online consistently. Now there are some platforms out there that you can create a course of yourself. It could even be cooking. It can be singing. It could be playing the guitar. And you can launch those courses on Udemy, Teachable, and on Skillshare. So those are my 5 ways of learning consistent income online. Now, if you found this video interesting, I would like for you to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to try my best to at least drop 1 or 2 videos each week. It's going to be hectic, but this is information that I would like you guys to learn and to share and to make an extra side piece so that you'll be better able to take care of your family and to take care of yourself. Once again, this is Tyranny coming from the Caribbean, and I look forward to seeing more of you guys. And please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe as a way of giving me your support. Thank you. See you in the next one.